Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva with Printify to create awesome print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and more without needing any design experience. Let's jump right in. To follow along, you will need two free accounts, one on canva.com and another one printify.com. Canva will help you design your graphics and Printify will handle printing and shipping to your customers. Let's start by making a design in Canva. Go to Canva and click Create a Design. Choose a custom size for t-shirts. A shape size is 45,000 wide and 54,000. Sorry, 4,500 and 5,400 height. Then choose pixel from unit section, then create new design. Starting design, you can add a text, shapes, or icons. Like for text, go to text section from here, click add a text box like that, and resize it and enter your title here. Then shapes from elements, click on see all from shapes, then choose its shapes and resize it. And icons from here, search for icons, click see all, then choose a icon from here. Use free elements or upload your own. Keep your design centered and avoid the edges for print safety. Make sure your background is transparent if you want to place the design on color charts. So I want to change the black color for this shape. Click on that, then here click create and write a quotes from here and resize it. Choose and select the text and go to font style, then choose a font style from here, then adjust the text with the shape like that. You can change the color from here, select the text, then color, then choose that, and that's it. Once you are happy with your design, click share download, then choose PNG for high quality. Enable transparent background if needed. Click download. Sorry, again, but it's not for free, it's a paid product. So share, download, and download here, and click save from here. Now switch over to Printify. Log in and go to my store, then manage my stores. Sorry, click on add products. From my product section, click on create order, or click dashboard, then choose from here like phone case, then start designing and upload your design. From click upload and down and upload this. It's automatically adjust here and drag it like that. You can resize and position your design here. Make sure it's not too low or too high. Use the preview tool to see how it works. That's good. So next, add your product's information, title, description, then click save product and save selection and publish the product from here. And that's how you use Canva with Printify to create, add, and sell custom print on demand products. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full series on building a Printify store. Thanks for watching.